Hi, my name is Christopher Hackett. I'm in 7th grade and I go to James Denman Middle School.
My name is Aiden Tefera. I'm in 7th grade. I go to Roosevelt Middle School.
My name is Stella Lee. I'm in the 7th grade and I go to James Denman Middle School.
And I am part of Science Action Club. Science Action Club is
exploring and being curious with the stuff.
Usually my science class, we just talk about crayfish. In Science Action Club, we talk about an experiment, like actually look inside.
But when we started, most of us had no idea what we were getting into.
My parents kind of signed me up for it.
My mom, she really likes science, so she told me to come.
But some of us needed no convincing at all.
I have a great interest in science.
Science is one of my best subjects ever since 4th grade.
And it was just lots of fun from the very beginning.
We took dry ice and we put it inside soap and water, and then we were able to make little bubbles with it, and it had a chemical reaction.
We went hiking.
We got a couple of strawberries and we mashed them up in a plastic bag. And then we poured all the juice into a cup, and then we got to see all the DNA come up from the strawberries.
We learned how science is part of our entire lives.
It's everything that I do when I get in a bus. I have to thank science for that.
With science, you can dive deeper.
Like the area near our school, we had to go to ask people what they think about the environment in this city, and they had to take a survey.
It was kind of hard for all of us to do surveys, but after a while, we all helped each other and we went to different spots. And we actually got a lot of people, really nice people also, to do our surveys. Actually, Christopher did the most. He did at least 40 or 50. He did a lot.
I'm a likable person.
At Roosevelt, our friends discovered how important pollution was to the community.
Most people are worried about the pollution in the ocean and global warming.
At Denman, greening our neighborhood was the most important thing of all.
We needed to green our school because we had lots of littering.
So we went out into the field, just like real scientists do. We dressed the part.
When I wear that lab coat, I look like a scientist.
We collected and analyzed the data.
When we were collecting the sand crabs, we wrote it down on a piece of paper, and then we would make it make a data chart out of it later. The data we collected was gonna go to scientists to help them out.
We planted lettuce and how we recorded their growth and how they changed over 2 weeks.
We recorded the growth of a lettuce in composted soil and regular soil.
But I have to tell you, science is not always pretty.
It was very gross. I think it was like bird vomit.
Being digested is very, very smelly.
It's not enough to do the science. One of the most important parts of being a scientist is explaining your results, what you discovered.
We filed a bunch of information, and we wrote out scripts, and we had presentations and such, and then we eventually put it on a webcast.
It was kind of nerve-wracking because there was a lot of people there and real scientists, but we rehearsed a lot.
I get to show my family, and they'll be happy when they see it.
What I felt after the webcast was, I felt like I said, I accomplished something. I felt good about myself, and I'm happy that it was a good time to spend with all my friends.
We were able to bring all this information and put it on the internet where someone from Canada can go see it, or someone in Iraq.
After the webcast, they were riding a high for hours. Such an adrenaline rush. I've never seen them so proud of themselves.
Even though it was hard work, it was all definitely worth it.
I like it because I can lead in this club. I can lead my peers and the younger people. I think all kids should join. It's so fun.
It provides a really great opportunity for kids to not only get, some science, hands-on science, but community service and showing the different ways that you can go about helping your community and take accountability and, hold your friends accountable, and the things that they learn, they're able to share with their families and their friends.
To actually have an academic class, like something that they could that could really inspire them to seek out a science career. I was really happy to be a part of something like that.
I get to learn more science with the kids while I'm doing this. I always try to tell the kids on how lucky they are, because when I used to attend James Denman Middle School, I never got to be a part of the Science Action Club. So I wish they had it around when I was around.
It's fun to do most of the stuff, and we also learn a lot of new things people don't know yet.
Science Action Club rock!